You'll have love at first sight with the 2018 Chrysler 300. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Cruise boldly in stylish comfort in the 300, the full-size sedan that blends traditional touring car panache with state-of-the-art automotive technology. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Old world elegance meets advanced safety and connectivity technology in the 300. Drive it today.